Are you looking for warehouse space in the La Crosse area? If so, we have an excellent option for you. 2615 East Ave has 3 convenient sizes that can easily be turned into a workshop, a warehouse, or simply an area with spacious storage. All units include a 50-amp breaker and can be heated. Certain units even include a hose bib, a restroom, a floor drain, a man door, and/or an AC unit. Here's a breakdown of the features offered in both of our buildings. These amenities make many exciting opportunities possible. Have more questions? We'd be happy to answer them. You can start by contacting Elaine Yeager, our commercial property manager. We look forward to hearing from you.